Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll cover part 3 of linear equations. We will see together if we have more than one x in both sides of the equation. At the beginning, I want to ask you to like and share this video. Please also subscribe to my channel. We'll start with the first example. We have a linear equation 2x equal 5 plus x. In order to solve any linear equation, we need to group all the x's along with their coefficients to the left side and all the constants without any variables to the right side. So in this case, we have no problem actually with 2x and we have no problem with 5. The only thing we have a problem with x. So we need this x to be on the left side. So in order to do that, we need to subtract x from both sides. So in order to get rid of this x, add negative x, because this is positive here, and add negative x here. So the new equation will be 2x minus x equal 5, and the x's here and here will be cancelling. So 2x minus x is x equal 5. So the answer is 5. In order to check that, let's plug in this 5 into the equation. So the equation that we have is 2x equal 5 plus x. Instead of having x here and x here, I'll put brackets. And I'll put a question mark, 5 plus bracket. Inside each bracket, I have to put 5. And ask yourself, is the left side, this is the left-hand side, equal the right-hand side? Now 2 times 5 is equal 10. And 5 plus 5 is equal 10. So both sides are equal. Example number 2. 7x plus 4 equal 3x plus 5. First of all, we have no problem with 7x here. We have no problem with 5 here. But we have a problem with plus 4 and 3x. So the first step is to add negative 3x to both sides. So the question can be written as 7x plus 4 negative 3x equal. Now this 3x with negative 3x will be cancel each other, equal 5. So we have no problem with 7x, negative 3x, and 5. But we need to get rid of this 4. In order to do this, we have to add negative 4, because this is positive 4, so negative 4 here and negative 4 here. Negative 4 and positive 4 will be cancel each other, so 7x negative 3x equal 5 minus 4. Now 7x minus 3x is equal 4x. And 5 minus 4 is equal 1. Now in order to solve the equation, we need x alone, which means the coefficient equal to 1. But the coefficient that we have here is equal 4. Remember from last time what we said. We need to get rid of 4 by dividing both sides by 4. So 4x equal 1, divide here by 4, and divide here by 4. Cancel this with this, so the answer is equal, x equal 1 over 4. Let's check this. Now the equation that we have is 7. Instead of x, I'll put a bracket, plus 4, and then I'll put a question mark, 3, bracket, plus 5. Instead of having this bracket, I'll put 1 over 4, or inside the bracket, I'll put 1 over 4. 7 times 1 over 4 is equal 7 over 4, plus 4, equal 3 times 1 over 4 is 3 over 4, plus 5. Now, in order to add, I'll still have a question mark here. In order to add 7 over 4 plus 4, I want you to review the video on adding and subtracting fractions. So 7 plus 4, 7 over 4 plus 4 is equal actually 23 over 4, equal 3 over 4 and 5 is equal 23 over 4. In order to give you a shortcut, actually ask yourself, 5 can be written as what over 5, which is 20 over 5. Over 4. Now if you add 3 plus 20, it will be 23 over 4. And in order to do this the same, this can be written as 16 over 4. 7 plus 16 is 23 over 4. So both sides are equal. So the answer is 1 over 4. Example number 3. Negative x equal x plus 4. Now I have no problem with x, negative x, and I have no problem with 4. The only thing that we have a problem with is x. And x here is positive because we didn't write the sign. So we need to add negative x to both sides. So the equation can be written as negative x again, plus x and negative x will cancel each other, equal 4. Negative x and negative x, this is negative 1 and negative 1. Negative 1 and negative 1 is negative 2x, is equal 4. In order to solve this, we need to divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2x equal 4, divide by negative 2, and divide by negative 2. This will be cancelled with this, so x is equal 4 over negative 2 is negative 2. Let's check this answer. Instead of negative x, I'll put negative bracket, equal, instead of x bracket, plus 4, and put a question mark. Plug in the negative 2 and negative 2. We know that negative times negative will give us positive, so it's positive 2. Negative 2 and plus 4 is equal plus 2. 2 is equal plus 2. This is correct. So our solution is true. Example number 4. Now we'll use another variable, which is y. Negative 3y plus 2 plus 5y equal 1. Now, I have a problem here with 5y. I have a problem here with plus 2. So, in order to get rid of plus 2, I have to add negative 2 to both sides and negative 2. So, the question can be written as negative 3y plus 2 and negative 2 will cancel, plus 5y equal 1 negative 2, or 1 minus 2. Negative 3y and plus 5y, negative 3 and plus 5 is 2y, equal 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Again, we need to divide both sides by 2. So it's 2y equal negative 1, divide by 2 here, and divide by 2 here. Cancel this with this, so y is equal negative 1 over 2, or negative 0.5. Let's check our solution. Negative 3 times bracket plus 2 plus 5 times a bracket, is it equal 1? Plug in here negative 1 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. Negative 3 times negative 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. Plus 2 plus 5 times negative 1 over 2 is negative 5 over 2. Now the question is it equal 1? By the way, if we have a negative and positive, we should multiply them, and the answer is negative. So 3 over 2 plus 2 minus 5 over 2, is it equal 1? Let me rewrite it. 3 over 2 negative 5 over 2 plus 2, is it equal 1? Now let's work on this. Unified denominators. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2 over 2 plus 2, is it equal 1? We know that negative 2 over 2 is negative 1 plus 2, the answer is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Example number 5. Negative y plus 3 equal y minus 1 plus 2y. Now we know that we need to move this, and this. But before doing anything, let's add y and 2y. Because they are on the right side, on one side, we can do that. Negative y plus 3 equal y plus 2y is known to be 3y, negative 1. Now, we need to get rid of the 3y. So we will add negative 3y to both sides. And this will be cancelled with this. So it's negative y plus 3, negative 3y equal negative 1. Again, we need to get rid of plus 3 by adding negative 3 to both sides. Negative 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled, so it's negative y, negative 3y equal negative 1, negative 3. Negative y and negative 3y is negative 4y. Negative 1 and negative 3 is known to be negative 4. We need to divide both sides by negative 4 and negative 4. So y is equal negative 4 over negative 4 is equal 1. Anything divided by itself is equal 1. In order to check, negative and then a bracket, plus 3 equal question mark, bracket, minus 1 plus 2 bracket. Plug in the 1, 1, 1, 1. Negative 1 and 3 is known to be 2. Is it equal? 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 2 times 1 is 2. They are equal, so our solution is true. Example number 6. 2 over 3x plus 4 plus x equal 4. Now, we have a problem only with this. So in order to get rid of plus 4, we should add negative 4 and negative 4. So it's 2 over 3x plus x. 4 and negative 4 will be cancelled. 4 minus 4. We know that they will be cancelled. 2 over 3x plus x equal 0. Now we should add 2 over 3x plus x. First of all, you need to unify them, but I can do the trick that I know. If we have here 3 and this is 1, so what is divided by 3 will give us 1 is 3. As if we have 3 over 3. Now, 2 plus 3 is equal 5 over 3x. So the answer of 2 over 3x plus x is 5 over 3x. Is equal 0. We know from the last time that the answer should be equal to 0, because what's the number if we multiply by 5 over 3 will give us 0. The only thing is 0. But if we continue the way that I explained last time, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. Flip 5 over 3, which is 3 over 5, and 3 over 5. This will give us 1, not 0. X equal 0 times anything is 0. So the answer should be equal to 0. Now let's check the answer. 2 over 3 times a bracket plus 4 plus bracket, is it equal 4? Plug in 0 and 0. 2 over 3 times 0 is 0. And 0, 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 is equal to 4. And our solution is true. Example number 7. X over 3 minus 9 plus x equal x over 3. Now, in order to use the same procedure that I just explained, first of all, we need to get rid of the 9 and get rid of x over 3. In order to get rid of x over 3, so subtract negative x over 3 and negative x over 3. So each will be cancelled here. So it's x over 3 minus 9 plus x minus x over 3, which is this, equal 0. Now, in order to get rid of negative 3, negative 9, sorry, we should add plus 9 to both sides. Plus 9 and minus 9 will be cancelled, so it's x over 3 plus x equal x over 3, sorry, negative x over 3 equals 0 plus 9, which is equal to be 9. Now, x over 3 and minus x over 3 will be cancelled. No need to add them. They will cancel each other. One is positive and the other one is negative. So the answer is x equal 9. Actually, from the beginning, you can cancel anything on both sides with the same sign. Look here, x over 3 and x over 3. If we cancel them, so what's left? Negative 9 plus x equals 0. Negative 9 plus x equals 0. And if we add plus 9 to both sides, this will be cancelled with this. So x equals 0 plus 9. The answer is 9. In order to check our answer, instead of x, I'll put a bracket over 3 minus 9 plus a bracket equal a bracket over 3. Plug in 9, 9, 9, and 9. 9 over 3 is known to be 3 minus 9. Sorry, minus 9 and plus 9 can be cancelled. So it's 3 equal question mark and question mark. 9 over 3, the answer is 3. So our solution is true. What if we have x over 5 plus 1 plus 2x equal 2x over 5 plus 2? Now we have a problem with plus 9 and we have a problem with 2x over 5. Let's add negative 2x over 5 to both sides. Negative 2x over 5. So it's x over 8 plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x over 5. This will be cancelled with this, equal to. Now we need to add negative 1 to both sides. And this will be cancelled with this, so it's, I don't know why did I write it as 8. It should be x over 5, sorry for that. X over 5 plus 2x minus 2x over 5 equal 2 minus 1, which is known to be 1. Now, x over 5 and negative 2 over 5, forget this for the time being. Let me rewrite it. X over 5, this can be written as minus 2 over 5, 2x over 5 plus 2x equal 1. Now, this is 1. 1 over 5 minus 2 over 5 is known to be negative 1 over 5x plus 2x equal 1. By the way, it can be written as negative x over 5. So this one can be written as negative x over 5. Now, negative 1 over 5x and 2x, if you want, you should unify the denominators and then solve it. But I know the answer. The answer should be 9x over 5 equal 1. Let me continue here. 9x over 5 equal 1. Now, in order to get rid of the fraction, we should multiply by the reciprocal, which is 5 over 9 and 5 over 9. This will be cancelled with this, so x is equal 5 over 9. Let's check our answer now. So instead of x, I'll put a bracket over 5 plus 1 plus 2 times a bracket, 2 times a bracket over 5 plus 2. Now plug in 5 over 9. 5 over 9, 5 over 9, 5 over 9. Do you remember if we have a fraction over fraction, as if this over 1, multiply here and multiply here. So 1 times 5, the answer is 5 over 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 1 plus 2 times 5 is 10 over 9. Is it equal? Now again, 5 times 1 and this times this. So it's 2 times 1 times 5 is 5 over 45 plus 2. I know it became very complicated, but I can make it so simple. Now, if I divide here by 5, this is 1 and this is 9. So it's 1 over 9 plus 1 plus 10 over 9 equal. Again, this is over 1 and this is 9. And 2 times 1 is 2 over 9 plus 2. Again, 1 over 9 plus 10 over 9 is 11 over 9 plus 1. Is it equal 2 over 9 plus 2? If we unify the denominators here, we will get 20 over 9. And 2 over 9 plus 2 is, again, 20 over 9. So they are equal. I mean, our solution is true. The answer is x equal 5 over 9. Thanks for watching.